Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in previous video we had a discussion of the components of Krita. Some of the components, what are the components we are going to use under the Krita, that is under the deckers. It may be layers, then color palettes and tools. Everything we had a discussion. Okay, now in this video we are going to learn how to add the objects as a layer. See, by using Krita, how we are going to add objects as layer. Okay, now first open Krita. As soon we open Krita, we are going to select, okay, here click on new image, then you are going to select the default whatever it is there, you select, just click on create. See, once you click on create, the Krita interface is going to be open like this, and you can see in the right side, in the decker palette, there is a layer section. See here, there is a layers section. Okay, now how we are going to add objects as a layer in Krita. So here first we are going to select, and we are going to import the objects into the Krita. So how we are going to import? See, under menu bar there is a layer menu. See, under menu bar there is a layer. So you can observe here. Click on layer menu. See, simply click on layer menu. Once we click on layer menu, we are going to get under the layer menu import or export. You can observe import or export. Now simply click on import layer under the import or export option. The import layer. See, as soon as we click onto the import layer will take us to the locations of the computer. See, location means where already we have saved some pictures or objects onto the computer. It will take us to the particular location. So here you select any one of the picture or object whatever you want to add onto the Krita layer. See, suppose here I am going to add the Confinity logo. Just select and click on open. See, as soon as I click onto the open, on my canvas you are going to see the Confinity logo. See, the Confinity logo has been imported onto the canvas. The canvas is the place where we are going to do the uh, means sketchings and all. Okay, once the import is done, now we want to make the object what you have inserted onto the canvas, so we can make big and small. Means, see, the canvas is, the space is more, so the object is very small. So how can we resize the object onto the canvas? Okay, see, on the canvas, once we insert or once we import the object, on a toolbox simply click on or select transformation tool. See here, transformation tool or select tool we are going to call it as soon I click onto the transformation tool, it is going to be edit onto the particular object what we have inserted. See, now point to point we can resize the object what we have inserted onto the canvas. Okay, keep the cursor on particular points and simply drag it over the canvas. Okay, see, keep the cursor and simply drag it over onto the canvas. Now the background has been set, that is the logo of Confinity. See, in this way we are going to add the objects onto the layer. See, here you can see in the layer palette, in the layer section, here we are going to see, for example, here if you want to add layer, see, plus, there is a plus symbol here, we can add layers here. See, some of the different layers what we are going to add paint layer, then group layer, then clone layer, and also vector layer, then filter layer, add fill layer. See, these are some different types of layers we can add onto the canvas. And once we add, suppose we don't want to keep the layer onto the screen, we can also remove. See, for example, here the default, the background is there, I don't want to keep this layer. Simply right click onto the layer, under the right click there is a option remove layer. See, first you select, under that you can also remove this. Already have given background, so it is not deleting. Okay, I don't want to keep this particular layer, so simply right click on the layer. See, under right click, there is a remove layer. Simply click on that layer, that layer is going to be removed. The background is the default layer will be a background. Okay, then suppose I don't want to display the layer or whatever the object I have inserted onto the canvas. So you can hide and display. See, there is a high symbol or icon as there. Simply if I click on that, it is going to be hide the whatever object I have inserted onto the particular canvas. See here, now there is no object on my screen. So once again, if I want to display the particular object, what I am going to do here, just I am going to click on hide or visible. See, there is eye symbol. If I click onto the eye symbol, the object is going to be visible. Then suppose if at all I want to rename a layer. See, if at all I want to rename a layer, just right click or double tap onto the particular layer name. See, there is a name the layer as logo Confinity. So here I'll change the name as Confinity. I don't want to keep the logo Confinity, so I want to keep only Confinity. Okay, Confinity. Then simply click on that. The layer has been renamed. So in this way, whatever the layers we are going to insert, we can rename on a layer. Then, okay, after inserting the object onto the layer, suppose we want to add some of the text onto the particular objects. So what we are going to do here, see here in the toolbars or tool section, there is a text option. See where we find the letter T, where we find the letter T, that is the text tool. So simply we are going to select the text tool onto the tool section. See, as soon as we click onto the text, come back onto the canvas, then simply drag where you want to add the text. See, as soon as we drag onto the canvas, the text, the edit text window is going to be appear onto the screen. See, now you can observe this is edit text window. See, this is the edit text window automatically is going to be appear onto the screen. Okay, now here enter the text whatever you want to insert onto the object. Okay, suppose here I am going to enter Confinity learn today, lead tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to add learn today, lead tomorrow. Okay, I have added some text. See, and also some formats are there, text formats. You can also give bold and italic, underline also you can give. Then alignments, these are left alignment, center alignment, then right alignment. Suppose I want to keep in the center of the canvas, just select the center. Then also we can choose font, whatever the font you want to keep, select the font. Then the size also is there. Here you can change the font size. Then also we can change the font color. Font color, see, before it was blue, now I have changed to orange. Okay, once the formatting is done, see, formatting is nothing but we are going to use the formatting options like bold, italic, underline, and also alignments, then font color, font size, then font style, everything we have and change under the formatting. Okay, once the formatting done, click on save. Then close the edit text window on screen. Just close. Okay, now you can see on my canvas whatever the text I have added, it is going to be appear. That is okay. We can also resize. See, simply select the tool. Simply click on the tool selection, and we can also resize the whatever the text we have added onto the canvas. Okay, without using transformation tool, we can't make it resize. Okay, now you can observe. Okay, once if it is done, just go to file, under file, click on save as. Click on save as. See, as soon as we click onto the save as, it is going to ask the name for the particular file, that is Krita document. Dot extension will be KRA, that is Krita. Give the name as Confinity Just I am going to give the name as Confinity. You can give whatever the name you want. You can give, and also it is going to save in different formats like MP4 OpenShot format and also MP4 assets. Select the format whatever you want to save. Then select the location where you want to save. Then click on save. Already is there. Just I'll rename. Okay. Now it has been saved onto the desktop. Okay. Now the Confinity has been, see, you can see once I save, before it was saving unsaved, and as soon as I saved it is going to save Confinity. Okay, once we save, the name is going to display onto the title bar. See, now the title is confinity22.kra, that is Krita file. So in this way we are going to add the objects onto the layer. See, now these are the objects we have added as a layer by using the Krita. I hope in this video you have understood very clearly how to adding objects as a layer by using the layer section, and also we learned here how to rename a layer, how to delete a layer, and how to remove layer from the layer section. If you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you.